Hello, we meet again. I'm Nur Fatini Shabika binti Jamaluddin. My metric number is 181029. And Assalamualaikum to Miss Nur Hafiza binti Aliwadin, lecturer. For today, I want to do a reflection video for week 2 that I want describe some little describe for activity of week 2 that my group like is found someone handsome guy that we found at K tu K2 college kedua, that he's staying alone, and we asked he that if that my group is want to ask more question that my group want to ask about a lex activity. First of all, that our group want to interview is one person that his name is Hazrin. He take a bachelor of science, that he take a faculty of science, and he stay at college kedua. Other than that, he tell to our group that after five he like to cycling. He very like to cycling. That one question for me, that ambition that he make to improve in his life is that cycling is one part ambition in his life. Then he talked to our group that cycling, that he want to be a cycling man and want to join an international game and more other than game in UPM. For question number 2, that I learn anything in my group. Yes, I learn more knowledge and more experience that I we after we found this guy. From my life, I think to be a sport. Maybe I can improve my sportive life, in terms that I can cycling like this guy, swimming, and after 5 o'clock, maybe I not have a class, I can jogging every website in UPM, like at Bukit Expo or other than that. I try to be a better for a sportive person, and try to harder to take a international game or game in UPM. Other than that, my academic, for my academic, I can learn more because Hazrin language in English is a very highest, because it's a very high power, because he's a very brilliant person, and the English language is very good, and I learn to be like him. because I can talk English English power to my lecturer, my friend. Other than that, maybe to foreigner, and I can speak more English, like to discuss about anything in English group. So I can learn more about English from this guy. Other than that, for my sociality is, maybe I first time meet this guy, and I learn about more about sporty because he very very like about sport, uh, especially in cycling. He very try to harder to be a cycling man because he very like to cycling, and he he joined that activity cycling at UPM, or other than that game in UPM. So for the question number 2, why my group choose this person? Because this guy is very, I think is very good. He is very brilliant, and uh, I I found that the English skill and Amuet is a band 3, and this guy is a very very special because he has a more anything that that person not have it. So the question number 4 that that I specified with my video is, I very satisfied, very very satisfied with my video, because my group try to be harder to found someone at college kedua. It's not easy to disturb one person to waste his time. It's not really to waste a time because we do it for education, and my group is try to harder if found someone person that very very good, very very good in education, very good in sportive, and especially is very good in in her English language, or other than that. Furthermore, and lastly, question suggest 2 ways I suggest to improve in term like my interview. Our interview is, I try in the video week 2, I try to suggest in term of interview because my group in my group is, they do not what to ask to him, and especially me, I try to get a best question, but my English language maybe is not coming out, and I suggest a number 2 ways is video recording, and I suggest to one person, maybe week 3, I try to find one person to take our video recording, to help our group to take a video recording. So I think that's all for me. Reflection week 2. I hope my lecturer can be receive my all answer that I give from she, because I I learn I give to more about what I learn. Okay, I think that's all for me. Okay, Assalamualaikum.